How many ingredients?
You were very close to potentially fighting, and
Not very many ingredients. Hello. All right, so we are going to do dinner tonight, and this is a keto recipe that we're going to do. It is from Joy Filled Eats. I will link it in the actual video. It is keto Parmesan crusted pork chops. Keto Parmesan crusted pork chops cooked in the air fryer. So it calls for 6 pork chops, but I've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So I've got 1 extra, but there's a small one, so I've got 7. It calls for pork rind crumbs, Parmesan cheese, garlic powder, and salt, same amount. So I'm just going to use a 1/2 teaspoon of this. And then it calls for pepper, it calls for 1 egg, and it calls for 2 tablespoons of heavy whipped cream. Okay, and then we put it in the air fryer and we get going. But first, I need to crush these pork chops to get. I need to crush these pork rinds to get the crushed pork rinds that we need for the coating. Alrighty, we need a cup of smashed pork rinds. So I'm gonna fill this bag up because I think this will be about a cup. Alright, we're just gonna use the rest here. What's left? I eat these on the side. I love pork rinds. So these are like good for my keto diet, but we need a cup. So I'm gonna go ahead and smush these to pieces.
Mama, did you waste
Sorry if it's loud.
Mama, did you waste all that?
I didn't waste all of it. I'm using it to do the crust. Alright, we're back. So, got our pork rinds. Now what it says to do while you're getting all this ready is start your air fryer, preheat it. I don't usually preheat my air fryer, but I'm going to go ahead and set this for 10 minutes of what it said to preheat, and I'm going to set it at the 350 degrees and just let it cook for itself. I'm assuming that's preheat. I need 1 cup, so fill that cup up. Alright. So this we're not going to eat. I'm going to put this in the fridge and save it for the next recipe that we may need. So we have, these are like keto breadcrumbs. These are how you make keto breadcrumbs. Are you ready? Pour it in there. Alright, next we need the Parmesan cheese. 3/4 of a cup of Parmesan cheese. Alright, here you go. You ready? Go ahead, dump it in there. Put that down. Don't. I'm going to fill that up. It's got to be all the way full. Hold on. Dump it in. Okay. I'm going to let you stir that real quick. Next is the egg mixture. So Mommy's going to crack the egg, okay? Mommy will let you put the heavy cream in. So 1 egg.
Mama, drip.
It's okay. We'll clean it up. 1 egg. And then we need 2 tablespoons of heavy cream, yes. So I'm going to hold that. And I'm going to pour a tablespoon, and then you're going to dump it after I pour it. Hold it over it. All right, dump. And dump. All right.
Can I stir it?
You can stir it. This needs to be stirred really well. So stir it.
And I'm going to stir the eggs. Mama, do I have to chomp the eggs?
Yep, smash the egg. Smash it. Okay, next we need to prepare the pork chops. So the pork chops, this is where you just sprinkle the seasoning on. It says 1/4 of a teaspoon of pepper and 1/2 teaspoon of garlic powder. I'm going to just season these by look. Alright, here we go. So I'm just going to sprinkle the garlic salt to taste. I actually ran out of it. Salt and pepper both sides. And then put them over on this plate.
I think this is good. Wait, I can do it. Faster.
Alright, so both sides are now coated. I'm going to put a little bit more because I like mine salty. Both sides are now coated. And we'll be right back to do the dipping. Alright, our air fryer is heated. Now it is hot, so I am not going to let Ellie touch this. It is super hot. So it does say coat it with olive oil. It's probably so it doesn't stick. So I'm going to do that right now. This is almost out. Come on, spray some. There it goes. There it goes. Okay, now we're gonna dip in the egg mixture and then this mixture, and these should all fit in there. It's big enough. So hopefully, let's see how this works out, okay? Now my concern is that this Parmesan mixture is not gonna stick very well. Oh, it's actually sticking really good. Look at that. That's sticking really well.
Mama?
Okay, that coats really well. All right, putting it in. Stir it up a little bit more. All right, next. I have an alarm that keeps going off and keeps cutting off my videos. All right, here we go. We're gonna make this fit right here. We're gonna smush this all in here. Hope it works. So it does say to flip it, so I think when it cooks anyway, it's going to kind of go down a little bit. Hi, baby. Hi, baby. So there is like not really much eggs mixture, but I'm gonna go ahead and put the remainder of this. Hi.
Oh, you cooking?
All right, so not really much egg mixture. I use the rest of this. So perfect measurements. There's what it looks like. All right, watch out. What? Don't touch. Move. Move. All right. So I'm gonna let you touch it. You ready? Hit that button down. Hit that down button to 7 minutes. Go down. Keep pushing it. You gotta push it 7 times. Keep going. You gotta keep pushing. Down to actually 8 minutes. 8 minutes because it's 15 minutes and you gotta flip it halfway. So I'm gonna do 8 and 8 because I like mine more crispy. Do that down to 350. So hit it 2 times. All right, now hit the power button. Oh, mommy turned it off. I was trying to pull it forward. My fault. There it goes. It started again. Okay, so we are gonna cook that. I'll do another video flipping it, and then we will show you the end result. Okay? All right. So the time has passed. Here's the first round of cooking. Do not touch in there. It is super hot. So I'm going to flip these.
And then Hoopy too. Ooh.
Oh, you guys giving each other kisses.
We're fake. Oh, we're fake kissing. Look. Oh, I want blue. You want pink and purple. Silly. Silly. I'm just silly.
I think I should have probably done these in 2 rounds because the seasoning's not staying on the bottom.
Ew. That's really not nice.
So fail on the seasoning. It's not staying on when I flip it. All right. There we go. Watch out. Move. Hot. Hot. All right.
And press the button.
You're going to do it for 10 minutes. Hit that button right there. Perfect. Don't touch. All right. Now we'll be back after this. All right. And we're back. It is finished. And it smells delicious. Looks delicious. I did have to add 4 more minutes to the cook time.
Are we eating pizza today?
No, this is not pizza. Let's go ahead and give it a final taste test. Okay, guys? Now, the stuff does fall off. I do notice that the Parmesan crust stuff falls off. I think that's more my fault, though, because I didn't quite follow the directions. So I'm not going to dock it for that. But let's go ahead and taste this pork chop and see if it is good and delicious. I see why that's a 5 out of 5. That's really good. You just laugh at me. It's really good. Wait till you taste it. That is good. Okay, so this recipe's getting a save because it looks nice and it tastes delicious. Perfectly keto. Love it. I will post the nutrition stuff and I will post the actual recipe on the website because thumbs up.